borrowed a couple screws from the wall over here.
Yeah, they obviously don't mean, they're not needed.
They meant to us that anyway. And we took the dowel off from a plunger that's broken.
Where's the head?
The dollar.
Okay.
Is it going?
Yep.
Alright, so that's the ghetto handle.
That's awesome.
A dowel. And screws from the wall.
Okay.
It works so good, it's like new now. Look how solid that is. Doesn't even spin or anything.
That's perfect. Look at those screws.
It's pretty sweet.
Man.
Where do you want your screwdriver?
Say some parting words. Now Shawn's just signing his work here.
You gotta be proud of that shit.
Made by Shawn. Now we're just going to put this back in the back and see how many people recognize it.
Yeah.
This is a